Spinner Subman Gill was Saturday appointed captain of the Indian ODI team for the upcoming tour of Australia, replacing senior batter Rohit Sharma. The Board of Control for Cricket in India announced a 15-member squad, marking a leadership transition while retaining experience with Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli in the side. Shreyas Iyer was named vice-captain for the three-match series. Fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah was rested to manage workload, while left-hander Yashasvi Jaiswal returned to the ODI squad after consistent performance in T20 internationals. The ODIs will be played in Sydney, Adelaide and Melbourne between October 19 and 25. The ODI squad includes Subman Gill, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, Akshar Patel, KL Rahul, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Washington Sundar, Kuldeep Yadav, Harshit Rana, Mohammad Siraj, Arshdeep Singh, Prashid Krishna, Dhruv Jurel and Yashasvi Jaiswal. The tour will also feature a 5-match T20 series. Surya Kumar Yadav will lead the T20 side with Gill serving as vice-captain. The T20 squad includes Abhishek Sharma, Tilak Verma, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Shivam Dube, Akshar Patel, Jitesh Sharma, Varun Chakravarti, Jasprit Bumrah, Arshdeep Singh, Kuldeep Yadav, Harshit Rana, Sanju Samson, Rinku Singh and Washington Sundar. Stay tuned to Rishabh Post Live to stay updated.